My fellow money makers, it's your boy PTC Pet, and he is doing magical. And of course, we came back from our vacation in Sealand. It was amazing. I had a blast. You can see my daughter dance, you can see me dance, and we just went crazy. I got something new for you. As you guys know, I'm going like legendary on RoboForex. You can check it out here. New partner, new partner, new partner, new partner, new partner. 60 new partners, 10 new partners, 50 new partners, 78 new partners, 12. We go crazy. But what I got to show for you guys, let's check it out. This video. I got a buddy of mine. He is starting trading also. He has a couple years experience and he is Dutch. He is the same like me. He's also Dutch. And of course, there are more people. Gotta show the logo. It's gotta be straight, you know, like as you guys know, I promote it everywhere. It's the PTC Pet. Gotta wear the brand. Okay, let's first show you a little bit his results. You can check it here. And then you say, well, this is good, but today it's like a 7.21. And of course, people copying him. You can check it here. Today, this is today. In the moment, he has like a 15.23. He's trying to minimize his risk and maximize his profits. I love that. I love to say that, you know. I'm new to the Forex, but it makes me so happy, guys. Let's check it out. A small video where he is scrolling through his trades. As you can see, it's all real trades. He's taking small trades, small steps, making sure that he is not losing a lot of money and just making sure that he is going to be net positive. And of course, he is a human trader. Humans can make mistakes, but let's go to the site and check his results of the past days. Let's go here. You can check it. Powertje. He's the Dutch gold trader. So you can see it trading on gold, index currencies, trading on profit, not on a certain result in percentages. This will fluctuate depending on the market situations. And I can say he is like, he's going crazy, man. But let's just check it out, TradeView, and let's see what the price of gold has done today. You can see that here you see it is coming from 1827. This is what the market opened on. And you can see that it went all the way to 1876. I believe gold price is rising now. So 61. I thought, yeah, I thought I put a sell order on 59, so I'll have to check up on it. But let's go and see his stats, guys. His commission is 25% of profit. So where David is asking 30 and Saruja is asking 35. 30, this David, yeah. And of course we got also Saruja. He is asking 35. And he is giving back 50% affiliate commission. So that means that if you calculate like this, if he makes a profit, he's going to take 25% of that profit. And 12.5% of that profit is gonna come back to you if you make an affiliate link. So let's say, let's make this the affiliate, receive affiliate link. Yes, I won't be able to change the account. Well, good for me. So my man, as you can see, I'm coming behind you. And also I'm going to subscribe to you, of course, as you can see here, subscribe to Trader. Oh, I must go to my Trader account, and then you click subscribe to Trader, and then you say, yes, I would want to subscribe. Let's check out his stats, guys. He's not trading every day, and like he's saying, I'm not going to take risk. If it doesn't feel right, I'm not going to do it. But he has traded, let's say this is like 5 days, and he got like 80% yield. So that's quite nice. Total profit, you can see he's going up. Maximum drawdown, 14.33%. Well, that's nice. I could remember the day. This is the day I got hurt by the market. You can see he's doing DE40CASH, USDCAD, and also XAUSD. This is the gold, the green one. This is like the DAX. We know it from David. And this is like currency to unlock that bonus. I'll show you guys. I just come back from vacation. Yesterday was working all day. Today I started early and I just couldn't sleep. Well, this is my friend, of course, as you can see. His name is Powertje. He is the Dutch gold trader, and he has a leverage of 1 on 1,000, a yield of 80%, and he has 4 subscribers. He is new. His best profit is $17.88. His worst profit is $3.92. decide for yourself if you want to do this as well. I can say, yo, my man, I'm coming behind you. Just gotta make sure that I am doing it on the right account. So guys, this is PTC Pet from the Netherlands, pushing my body up. So my man, if you see this, be sure to give me a like and subscribe. This is PTC Pet from the Netherlands. And just gotta say, let's keep winning together, guys. We're going magical. We're going crazy. We are skyrocketing. And my own project hasn't even launched yet. The reason I went into Forex was because I thought, well, I must find different ways to make sure that my project has stable income streams for the community to benefit. But it's going crazy. I got multiple projects running. My ecosystem is also already being built. So a lot of great news is coming, guys. This is PTC Pet from the Netherlands. And let's keep on winning.